D1. Spins really good. So let's show you different modes. That's mode number 1. That's mode number 2. And this is mode number 3. And this is a video on just a normal fidget spinner. Spins good, it's kind of a bit loud. And here's a fidget cube. So you have the 5 buttons. 3 of them loud, 2 of them quiet. Spinny thing. Clicky. Ball and like a padlock thing. You got like a joystick. Like a thumb groove, and basically let me show you. I'll show you the packaging. This is the box of the fidget cube. This is the box of the fidget spinner. So let's show you what. Let me get the instruction manual out for this. I'll show you which one's which. So hang on. Give me a minute. So let me set you guys down for a second. So guys, if you want to pause this video, that's what the thumb groove is, to breathe, roll, spin, click, guide, and flick. So anyway guys, that'll be today's video. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, please subscribe and comment down below. See you guys later.